Hi guys, Ivana here and welcome to your foam roller restorative Pilates class. This is going to be a gentle, quick class so we can open up the body before you have to go to work or if you need to stretch afterward. So let's begin. We're gonna start lying down on your back first, and then you're gonna grab your roller and you're gonna slide it underneath your pelvis. You're gonna hug the right leg in towards the chest and you're gonna stretch the opposite leg forward. Make sure the left heel is down on the floor. And relax your upper body, long neck. And we're just gonna pause. We can close your eyes and we're gonna breathe. So we're gonna inhale through the nose. I'm gonna exhale through the mouth. And again, we're gonna inhale through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose and exhale. Another 2 breaths. Nice big inhale. Exhale. Breath in and out. Beautiful. We're gonna swap legs. Just check that the right heel is down on the floor. And again, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more, big inhale. Exhale. Last one, big inhale. Exhale. Good. And we're gonna bring that knee in, so both knees are bent. And we're just gonna rock your hips from side to side, just massaging across the pelvis. One more. Good. I'm gonna drop your feet down and just one more time I'm gonna stretch both legs. We're gonna reach the arms over the head and we're gonna breathe. We're gonna inhale into your belly and exhale through the mouth. And big inhale. Big exhale. And one more breath. Inhale. Big exhale. And then we're going to release the arms. We're going to lift your hips up. We're going to push the roller towards your feet. So now the roller is around the middle of the foot. Knees pointing up to the ceiling, arms by your side. You're going to inhale. And as you exhale, you're just going to tilt your pelvis back so the lower back kisses the mat. And we're going to push down into our feet. And we're going to try to peel the spine off the floor. Now you're gonna feel your hamstring engaging, you're gonna feel your glutes. Make sure the feet aren't too far away from you because otherwise your hamstring's gonna be very angry with you. And then relax the upper body, draw the chin in, take a breath in. And then as we exhale slowly, we're gonna release the spine back down. Upper back, middle back, lower back. And then you're gonna relax your tailbone down. And we're gonna repeat. So get breath in. Breath out, tuck and peel that spine off the floor. Breath in to hold. And then breath out to slowly release back down. Bone by bone. And relax your sacrum. And one more time, big inhale. And exhale, tuck and peel that spine. Good, and we're just gonna stay here. Now make sure you're not doing this. So your hips should be higher than your ribs. It's the other way around. The ribs are higher than your hips, yeah? So we don't want to be overarching but the back, basically, that's what I'm saying. We wanna keep the ribs in, hips lifted, chest opens. And we're gonna inhale as we exhale. We're just gonna try to lift this right leg up very gently and lower down. And then just challenge yourself, very gently try to hover the left leg and lower. And just try one more time, just hover. Good. And then hover the left leg. Good. And then take a breath in, and as you exhale, you can slowly release down. Good. And just stretch your legs forward. Then rotate your legs out from the hip joint, and then draw the knees in, and then restuck your knees. So extend your legs, rotate your legs out, draw the knees in, and knees to the ceiling. And again, we're gonna stretch your legs, rotate out, and come back in. One more, stretch the legs, rotate out, draw the roller in, knees up. And then we're gonna reverse. So we're gonna open out, stretch your legs, and knees parallel to the ceiling. Draw the roller in, open the knees out, stretch the legs, and rotate in. And we got one more, draw the roller in, knees out, stretch, and lengthen. Good, and then your ankles are on the roller. We're gonna reach the arms over the head. As you exhale, nod the chin in, brush the ceiling with your fingertips. And then we're gonna pull the navel in, and we're gonna roll that spine up. Now, if you cannot do that, for any reason, you can just gonna do the first part. So you're gonna crunch up, and then you can release back down, very gently. Yeah, so this is version 1. Version 2 is we're gonna roll up. And then just gonna stretch that nice big inhale. And then as we exhale, we're gonna sit up nice and tall, reach the arms in front of you, take a breath in, and then as you exhale, tuck your tailbone under, and we're gonna roll back down. Nice and slow. We're gonna do it one more time. So reaching the arms over the head. As you exhale, brush the ceiling with your fingertips, chin to the chest, and pull the navel in, scoop the belly, rolling up. And we're just gonna hold this stretch. Big inhale into the back. Exhale through the mouth. Big inhale. Big exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Good. And I'm going to sit up tall. And then grab the roller. You're going to place it on the side. Top knee on the roller. And then you're going to lie down on your side. You can fold your hand, fold your arm, prop the head. And then you're gonna inhale, you're gonna slide that knee forward on the roller. Allow the roller to roll with you. And then as you exhale, you're gonna reach back. And again, so knee rolls forward. Get the nice stretch in the back, and then exhale. Hips stack, or this top hip can go slightly back behind you. So just rocking forward and back, nice and slow. It should feel really nice for the lower back. And inhale to rock forward. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Big exhale. Let's try one more. Big inhale. Big exhale. Beautiful. Good. We're gonna swap side when you're ready. So top knee on the roller. Fold the arm. And then inhale, reach that knee forward. And roll it back. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Good. One more. Good. Okay. We're gonna lie down on your belly now. We're gonna do a thigh stretch. So I'm gonna kick your right heel to your bum. And then you're gonna try to grab the foot with your hand. If you cannot reach, grab a belt and then you use the belt, rub the belt around the ankle and then pull your leg in. And then you want to make sure the knee is directly underneath your hip, and then you want to press the front of the hip into the floor for a deep stretch. Just take one more breath here. Beautiful. And we're gonna release and we're gonna swap. So left heel to your bum. Press your hips down into the floor. Knee directly underneath your hip. Long spine. Nice belly breath. Beautiful. And we're gonna release. Push yourself up, take a quick child's pose. Just one more breath. Beautiful. And then find your roller again. We're gonna roll out your thighs. So hop on the roller, bend your knees, engage your core muscles, so belly button in, and just roll the roller underneath your thighs. Nice and slow, don't rush. Good. This should feel really nice. Beautiful. And then we're gonna roll out the side leg. This might get a little bit more intense and more painful. If it is, just drop the top foot in front of you and just very gently rolling out. Side thigh, going towards the knee, but not on top of the knee. Good. And we're gonna swap sides. So if you want a stronger pressure, you're gonna have your feet and your legs stacked on top of each other. Less pressure, just gonna drop that top leg in front of you. Just give a little stretch here. Go nice and slow. Good, beautiful. Well done, guys. And then you can release. And we're gonna sit in a cross-legged position. We're gonna do one more stretch for the hips. So you're gonna pick the right leg up, and then you're gonna place it on the opposite knee and then lean forward. If this is impossible for you to do, you can just sit in a cross-legged position and you just bring your hands forward, so you're leaning slightly forward. And you're gonna get a glute stretch on that right side. Beautiful. And we're gonna swap. So either cross your legs the other way around or bring in your opposite foot on opposite thigh and then leaning forward to get that stretch in the left hip now. Good, and then release and sit in a comfortable sitting position. I'm gonna interlace the fingers, inhale the arms up. As you exhale, side bend, but think about reaching up. Good, and then inhale up. And then as you exhale, side bend, but think about going up to the sky. Good, and coming back up, inhale, lengthen the spine, look up to the ceiling. And then as you exhale, you're gonna roll the wrists and you're gonna release all the way down. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy this class, hope you're feeling much more relaxed and more flexible, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye guys.